NoTraffic is redefining the way mobility is managed. By harnessing advanced AI technology to manage traffic light grids, congestion is reduced, CO2 emissions are decreased, and safety is increased, all while boosting economic value and cutting operational costs. Manage your community's intersections through NoTraffic's Mobility Operating System. Activate a variety of mobility applications with just one click with our integrated mobility store. Several cities implemented NoTraffic's Optimization Mode application to elevate the quality of life for its residents, autonomously operating the traffic light signal network to maximize efficiency and safety. The results were remarkable, with NoTraffic successfully eliminating a mile-long queue, leading to expansion and the optimization of additional corridors, reducing 75% of average waiting time. Today, NoTraffic optimizes a significant number of intersections, projected to provide the following average annual citywide benefits: vehicle and pedestrian delay reduction, CO2 decrease, safety increase, generate massive economic benefit. With NoTraffic, cities are transformed into a digital mobility ecosystem equipped to solve mobility management challenges now and in the future. NoTraffic, enabling the future of mobility today.